it's us again. So we moved again. Sorry about the lighting. We don't really have a hang down light in here. So yeah, if you see the reflections in the mirror, we're sorry about that. But so today we're doing a sort of like tech haul video. So
we got the Apple AirPods. We got the new iPhone 10, of course. And then I got the Chalk Google Home Mini.
So let's talk prices. Okay, so first the Apple AirPods, they're $149. The iPhone 10, we got 256 gigabytes, so it's $1249. Then the Google Home Mini, they lowered it to $39. So let's get right into the unboxing. We're gonna start with the most expensive, which is the iPhone 10. So right here, you're just gonna pull this tab. I've never opened this before. I can't wait to see.
It has the jitters.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared because I know how nice this is. Open it up. You're greeted with documentation.
You should open that first.
This is the beautiful iPhone 10. I'm gonna set that to the side for a second. Then we're gonna open this up. It says, hello, a little quick start guide over here. SIM ejection tool, because I think we got this unlocked. And then we got warranty and then Apple stickers.
And then it comes with AirPods.
Which are the lightning adapter AirPods. And then it has this little dongle thing. So if you have like
regular ones?
Yeah, 3.5 millimeter jack headphones, then you can use it with this, only with the adapter.
This is our lightning cable, which is 1 meter long.
Our 5-watt USB power adapter. Whoa, is that wrapped in like paper?
Yeah, no, it's wrapped in plastic.
Huh.
Okay,
so,
is there anything? No, there's
nothing else in there, so let's put all of this to the side. Ready? Wait, hang on.
Can I do the plastic?
Okay, so do you want to power it on? Power button's right there. Okay, set this up. Let go.
It's booting up.
So as you can see, we got the white one, but all iPhone 10s have this beautiful black display, and then it's an OLED panel, so as you can see, the rest of the display is completely black.
We're gonna start
we're gonna boot this up. Now we're gonna open up the accessories. Oh, it says Hola right there. We're gonna, okay, let's put all this wrapping.
So I'm opening up the lightning cable, which is 1 meter long, so it's the short one. This is what it looks like if you didn't know.
And then this is the 5-watt USB power adapter. Oh yeah, it is wrapped in like paper sort of thing. Then this is the power adapter. Let's not open up the AirPods because it's a little bit. We're gonna set this up later, but right now we're gonna open up these AirPods. Soon we'll compare it to this iPhone 6 Plus.
I don't think we're gonna be using it with these all that much. We're gonna probably be using it with these most of the time.
So I already did open this so I could set these up. So I'm just gonna cut this seal. Originally it does come with shrink wrap, but
we didn't.
Yeah, as I said, I already opened it up. So sis, would you like to open it up?
Yeah. Okay, wait, Chase, let's show them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you what it does. So,
okay,
look.
So it comes like this. It has these.
Here, open up the documentation.
Documentations. Just a bunch of pieces of paper and writing on it, which we don't read.
And then right here, look at this. So, look, right when you pop open the earpod case, look, it comes up on my phone. AirPods. And then if you close it, it goes back away. So that's really cool. And then inside the packaging, you pull this little tab, and yes, there is a lightning cable with it.
Which is cool. It comes with a free iPhone cable.
So let's look at this. Let's take a look. So this is one AirPod, and when I was trying it out earlier, I noticed that when you take them out of your ears, it automatically pauses your music.
Or when you open the case, it pauses your music.
So yeah, let's put these back in the case.
And if you didn't know, you have to charge this case because the case will charge the AirPods.
Yeah, with this little lightning cable. So let's put all of this off to the side.
Oh, now let's open the Google.
So
this is my Google. I paid for it with my own money. It was $39. Now let's open.
Here, do it from the bottom. And then you can pull it in the
It's like
package
opening a present.
from yourself. Oh, it has that raise to wake feature. Here, do you want some milk?
No. Yes.
No, yes.
How do you open your Google? Oh yeah, now we both have Googles.
Oh, there
Every
we go.
time I go to
yeah, go check out my, I might have done a video on it, but if I did, go check out my Google Home unboxing.
Okay, this is really funny. Every time we go to Best Buy, and I'm like, I'm buying a Google. I never buy a Google, so I finally bought one.
Down here.
So here's the pull tab. This is gonna be super satisfying. Okay, well, I didn't rip it off right away, but
Yeah, there we go.
ow.
Don't let the home fall out.
Wow. Okay, so here's the Google. It has red on the bottom.
It's the size of a donut, they say.
It's the color chalk.
Here, you can just pull that tab.
Oh wow.
There's a lot of accessories with it.
So here, there's a let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Let's get started.
Be safe. This is the warranty, and then here's the micro USB power cable. I mean, like, why did they do micro USB? It's USB-C age. Come on, is it 2013? No. Okay, so now let's set up this iPhone 10. So you swipe up. No SIM card. I don't care. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to get the SIM out of her phone. United States. Quick start. Yeah, so we'll come back later and set this up. Yes, it's me editing now, but I just figured out that our last comparison clip didn't have my microphone turned on, so it doesn't have any audio. So I'm sorry about this, but please like, share, and subscribe. And check out our MacBook video too.